In 2026, the majority of Google searches end without a single click to a website. Users read an AI-generated summary and immediately leave. Because of this shift, traditional blog posts filled with narrative-heavy keyword clusters and long, winding introductions have become invisible to modern search algorithms. Today, we are constructing a machine-readable asset explicitly engineered to be extracted and cited by engines like Google AI Overviews and Perplexity. Open your content management system or a blank document. We need to format this page for two distinct audiences: machines and human trust. Success in this environment requires becoming the definitive expert source that an AI model chooses to cite in its answer. Step 1 is built on extractability. You must place a direct, plain language answer immediately following your H2 headings. To be effective, this answer block must be exactly 40 to 60 words in length. This rule exists because AI overviews average around 150 words total, compiled from approximately 5 different sources. Because these models extract information in 30 to 40 word chunks, providing a concise, correctly sized answer makes algorithmic selection much more likely. Cautionary: if you lead with long, narrative-heavy introductions, the AI will skip over them to find facts faster. When an answer requires 3 paragraphs of context, the AI will bypass your content entirely to cite a competitor who provides the answer directly. Step 2 requires injecting original statistics and data points directly into the body of the post. These data points act as an AI magnet. Your benchmark for a standard article is to include at least 5 original data points and 1 clear comparison table. Internal data confirms that posts containing multiple tables and specific statistics see a significant increase in their likelihood of being cited by large language models. Once the data is placed, we move to Step 3, plain language formatting, to ensure absolute machine readability. Aggressively break down long, complex paragraphs into bulleted lists and limit your sentence length to under 15 words. Avoid using complex vocabulary to appear authoritative. Dense writing is often flattened and paraphrased by the AI instead of being directly quoted. Plain language functions as a technical requirement for AI visibility. For Step 4, we introduce EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Inject this trust layer by adding a detailed author bio, a specialized pro tip callout, or a proprietary case study that highlights your firsthand experience. This human element distinguishes your work from generic AI-generated commodities that Google frequently devalues. Finally, we reach the technical backend. Step 5 begins by placing 5 to 8 frequently asked questions at the very bottom of your document. Next, generate FAQ schema markup for those specific questions and embed that code directly into the backend settings of your page. As an additional measure, add your newly published URL to your site's llms.txt file to guide AI crawlers directly to the asset. Combining these back-end technical signals with your human experience layer transforms a basic article into an authoritative source that AI models are programmed to trust. Let's do a final top-to-bottom review of the content asset you just built. You now have a post anchored by direct answer blocks and rich data tables, written in plain language, backed by human expertise and machine-readable schema. The resulting page functions strictly as a highly structured data asset. Your content is now packaged to serve as a primary source of truth when an autonomous agent scans the web. You are ready to hit publish. We are moving away from traditional rank tracking toward a modern approach. In the zero-click era, success is measured by tracking your citation share and overall AI visibility rather than individual keyword clicks.